Hello everyone, myself Prithviraj Patil. These are my contact details. The title of our project is MD Care Central. The platform is developed to stop the fraudulent activities in the healthcare system. We have created the desktop site on which the patient can book appointment and get the latest updates about event organized by the blood bank and the hospitals. And also we have developed the desktop software for the hospitals, doctors, blood bank, emergency services, and there is super admin which can check the fraudulent activities happening in the hospital.
Hello everyone, my name is Gourav Patil. These are my contact details. Objective of our projects are to develop centralized platform for patient and doctor, to enable the features such as blood bank information, dispensaries, hospital details nearby, emergency services. And third one is to enable the preliminary systems where patients can diagnose himself or yourself according to symptoms. In these systems, patient can select 4-5 symptoms which they are facing, and our system will provide an initial advice to the patients. And next one is to stop malpractices in healthcare systems. Our system is created to stop malpractices in healthcare system such as blood bank frauds, and our system creates transparency between patients, hospitals and.
Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Madan Shinde and these are my contact details. Our methodology follows the iterative waterfall model which allows us to develop the system in stages while making it possible to revisit and refine previous phases based on feedback and new opportunities. We begin with extensive information gathering through interviews and surveys with healthcare providers, administrative staff and patients. This helps us understanding their workflows, design and the system architecture, and define modules including patient management, appointment, scheduling and electronic health records. We then move to the implementation phase using Python and Django framework supported by PostgreSQL for database management. The system user interface was developed using HTML templates to ensure a seamless and user-friendly experience. Throughout this process, we maintain a focus on compliance with healthcare regulations, integration with existing hospital systems, and usability for non-technical healthcare.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Shinde. These are my contact details. Today I am going to explain you experimental work of our project. We firstly in experimental phase, we conducted iterative development and testing of each system module. We created a test environment to simulate real-world scenarios which allowed us to validate the functionality and performance of each component. This included in the blood bank module, the people get blood who has less need of the blood, and the people who has more connections with politicians or other things, they get blood by the connections, and this malpractice can be handled through the software. The software take all records of blood wastage, which blood goes where, and this all can be monitored from the super admin panel, and this can be controlled from the super admin panel, and super admin can easily verify which blood bank is making fraud and which is real. And this is our whole system, how it works. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satwashil Killedar. These are my contact details. The result of our project has been very promising. Our centralized platform has satisfactorily improved and effectively and reliably of healthcare administration. It significantly improved the successful various aspects of healthcare management, providing the point of accessing for patients, doctors, administrative staffs, and the system ability to detect the prevent malpractices, and has been validated through the numerous test cases showing the reduction in the issues, administration work, and decrease the automation process for the patient registering, appointment schedules, and the data management. Additionally, the system responsively to the disease outbreaks and allocate needed, thereby enhance the overall healthcare deliveries. For the instance, during a simulation need and diseases outbreak, the system quickly identifies the cases and enables a rapid response for the healthcare authorities. Next point is conclusion. In the conclusion, our centralized platform manageable system effortlessly addresses the critical insufficiencies and the current healthcare administration by bringing together patients, doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare entities On a single platform, we have improved the communication process and enhanced the quality of the healthcare services. The system capability to detect the malpractices, manage patients' information, and provide a real-time data analytics ensures a more transparency and the effective healthcare environment. This project not only meet a immediate need of healthcare providers and patients, but also a solid foundation for the continuous improvement in the healthcare management practices. Our system is a sufficient step forward in monitorized healthcare administration, making it more effective and accountable and responsive to the need of the users.
Future scope of our project. Looking to the future, there are several existing directions for our healthcare management. We plan to integrate advanced technologies such as AI and ML to further diagnosis, predictive analysis, and personalized patient care. Adding telemedicine capability will enable remote consultation and treatment, significantly increasing access to healthcare in unreserved area. We are also aiming to develop mobile application to provide user with the easier access to healthcare service on the go. Additionally, incorporative blockchain technologies for secure and transparent health record management is our roadmap. The advancement will ensure our system remains at the forefront of innovation in healthcare management, continually improving patient outcome and operationally efficiency. For example, AI algorithm could analyze patient data to predict potential health issues, allowing for easier intervention and better patient care. This is website of our project, which is made for the patient. In this, patient can log in and book appointment for himself, and also can check any prescription is provided by the doctor. In event section, he can check the events which are going to happen. In disease section, he can get an free advice by choosing the symptoms which he is going through and tell to the doctor when he books the appointment. In event section, he can check where blood camp is going on, where blood donation is going on, etc. In disease section, if he chooses any symptoms through which he is going, and click search, he will get an pre advice that he must be going through this disease. In login section, he has the user information, where does he lives, his number, email address, insurance providers and insurance ID, emergency contact details and everything. In manage appointment, he can create appointment to a doctor. Let's say he create an appointment for tomorrow. And writes any message, or the disease he is going he had checked on last page. The appointment has been created. Here is the prescription section. Here he will get what the doctor has prescribed to him. In event section, he can check where the blood camp, blood donation and blood fellow is going on, etc. This is our the website. Now we will check the desktop software of our project. This is the desktop software through which doctors, super admin, blood banks, dispensaries, emergency services can log in, and the super admin can keep track on each and every fraudulent activities which are taking place in hospital blood banks through the desktop software. This is the login page of doctor. Here he can change the profile. He can check in which hospital he is working. These are the hospital details of the doctor, like he is working in Sai Clinic, address is 6th Lane, Rajaram, Puri, Kolhapur. Here are the contact details of contact number of doctor. He can search for the prescription which was provided to the patient by providing the patient ID or by the patient prescription number. Then he can also write the prescription to the patient, providing patient ID, title, disease and what medicine he can take. Here are the patients which are registered with the hospital. He can check which patient is registered with his hospital. Then the appointments, which appointment is there, whether in morning, afternoon, on which date, which is created by which patient. He can also search for the hospital nearby, like if any other disease is there, he can suggest that hospital. Then there are also such blood bank. He can suggest the blood bank which are situated near to the hospital, so that if any patient is in need of blood, he can go there and immediately pick the blood from blood bank. Then also he can suggest the test center which are near to the hospital. So this is the working of our website and the desktop software. Thank you.